Today, a man accused of brutally killing a beloved brain surgeon appeared in court. Thank you for staying with us. I'm Glenda Lewis.
And I'm Simon Shaquette. Day one of the preliminary hearing started in the case of Desmond Burks. Investigators say he shot and killed Dr. Devon Hoover. Hoover, a neurosurgeon, found dead in his home in April of 2023. Investigators
also saying Burks and Hoover had an intimate relationship. 7 News Detroit reporter Darren Cunningham is outside 36th District Court with a look at the first day of testimony.
In this case, we are limited with what we can show. The judge put tight restrictions in place. Because of threats to witnesses and safety concerns, the judge ordered us to conceal their identities and to alter their voices. That being said, the first 2 witnesses to take the stand were a Detroit police officer and the suspect's mother. Desmond Burks entered court with a smile on his face. He's accused of killing Dr. Devon Hoover. Hoover's family also in attendance, facing Burks for the first time. The preliminary hearing will determine if Burks will stand trial for the neurosurgeon's murder. Investigators say Burks and Hoover had an intimate relationship, and Hoover sometimes paid Burks for sex. But the prosecution did not get into that on day 1 of the hearing. Instead, the prosecutor started the day by playing a 911 call. It proved to be the first incident indicating Hoover might be in distress. A woman complained about a vehicle blocking her driveway on Coyle Street and that she wasn't sure if it was stolen. A white Range Rover seen here in this video played in court. The officer who responded to check out the Range Rover was the first witness to testify.
So I walked up to the vehicle, observed blood in the driver's seat, back seat, on the steering wheel of the vehicle.
He says he saw blood inside, had ran the license plate, and determined the vehicle belonged to Devon Hoover. In this video, you're looking at officers' body-worn camera as they performed a wellness check at his home on Boston Boulevard. But officers say no one responded to the front or back doors. The second witness to testify, Burks' mother. Prosecutors asked if she recognized the man seen walking away from the Range Rover. She identified her son by his walk and said he limps because he was shot.
You recognize something he was wearing?
Yeah, the jacket.
You recognize the jacket he's wearing? Yeah. And how is it that you know that that was a unique jacket?
We got it for him.
Burks' mother is expected to be back on the stand Tuesday. Testimony resumes in the morning at 9:30 a.m. Outside 36th District Court, Darren Cunningham, 7 News Detroit.
Thank you, Darren.